Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, select languages and input, manage keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, select theme section and scroll all the way down. Now you can click on show more at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but instead of scrolling down, tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!